Hi, I'm Dad from KeyCommerce. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that little Powered by Shopify from your website footer. Let's get started. So as you can see here, it shows Powered by Shopify in the footer of the website, which we don't want, so let's remove it. Head to your Shopify admin, then go to Online Store and click on Themes. Find your current theme and click on the three dots next to the Customize button here. Now click on Edit Default Theme Content. On this page, you can find the Powered by Shopify section under Links. Click into the block and press the spacebar once. The text should disappear, and then you can click Save at the top. And here you see that the Powered by Shopify message is gone. Now if you've done this and the Powered by Shopify is still showing in the footer, you'll need to remove it from your store's code. Let me show you how. Head back to your Shopify admin, click Online Store, Themes, and once again navigate to the three dots, but this time click on Edit Code. Now in the Sections directory, search for Footer and click on footer.liquid. Once the code is opened on the right, search for the Powered by text in the theme code. Now delete the tag and click Save at the top. And that's it. You should have successfully removed the Powered by Shopify tag from your online store. If you're looking for help optimizing your Shopify store, we have a full playlist of tips and tricks to help you do exactly that. I'll leave a link to it down below. And if you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment.